what Nana bought you. This is called a recorder. Do you want me to show you? Here. Blow. Blow. Go. You try.
Oh.
Blow. Hard. Isn't it cute? Nana got that for you. It's a recorder. Mummy used to have a recorder. She was practically in the symphony of recorders in primary school. Hi guys. Hi guys. You're not going to say it. I am going to put on Romance by Ralph Lauren today. Maybe when I stop and get out of the car so I don't fill up the car with perfume. But I'm going to wear this today. And I just took a vlog post of my L&M Feline clear tote that she's actually selling these on the site now. They're for sale. She used to give them free, like gift with purchase, but now she's actually selling them because there was a demand for the clear bag trend that's going around. Updates. The good news is, the very, very good news is we're getting our car back today, Mushy. We're getting our car back this afternoon. The service manager is actually valet delivering the sport home, which is so nice. They do that actually sometimes. They've done that before for me. And then he'll take this with him back. And so yeah, I miss my car. I miss it. I know this looks no different, but you know, it's not your car, so you're a bit more tentative. They're the updates. And Mussy's with me. Mussy's with me. He's a good boy. Yeah. This Swarovski pendant, if you're gonna ask, I know a lot of people asked about my gem, the big gem, the gold gem I was wearing the other day, and the hoops, the little halo hoops. They were rings. They're my mum and dad's wedding bands, their first set of wedding bands on a gold chain, and the actual gemstone is an amber in 22 gold setting that I inherited from my mother-in-law. So it's a family heirloom, so I can't like link it below or anything to tell you where to shop it. I can find similar for you. It's so gorgeous, but it's amber is the stone. I had a few questions. If you're gonna ask about this, this is a Swarovski piece, actually from the Swarovski boutique, and it was a limited edition collection that they did. But there's a really similar one in the shops now that I saw that I really love, because I love Swarovski. And it's a bar, like it's so similar to this, but it's just a straight bar. So if I find that, I will link it below if you're going to ask. My Huggies are linked below. Somebody asked. They're just, Huggies are everywhere, honestly. You can get them everywhere, but I will link them below. And then these were the piercing studs. Are you saying hi guys now? Hi guys. Did I wake you?
You did.
Oh my god, it's 9:30.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you want to call me back when you're awake?
I'm awake now.
Oh.
I'm going back to sleep.
Oh. Okie doke. So what are your plans this week?
I don't really have any, just work.
Do you want to come and stay at our house?
And stay at your house?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Just
Because I love you and you want to stay in our house with me and Mushy. You know, just have like a week off from the boys. Subby actually asked me sometime last year. I was having a chat to her and she asked me, what do I do when I hear Live on the radio? And I replied to her and I was like, do you know when you hear like your mum or your dad's voice? Like, because when she sings with her tonality, so it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It just sounds like I'm talking with her. Does that make sense? Or I know I can hear her speaking. Anyway, Xanadu. Best movie ever! I will leave her remix to Magic below. I'll link her remix to Magic below. She did the most amazing remix to Magic from Xanadu. So go watch it. She is my angel. The surprise! Nana's here! Woohoo! I bet she's having breakfast. Car? Very hot car, Baba. Where have you been, darling? I just uploaded and I'll do it. Yeah? Whoa. Turn around and come back. Ready? Go. Set. What? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? Set. Go. Go. Oh my God, you're so fast. I would like to recite. You remembered it? Hot cross buns. I told them, record a symphony. Show Nana how you can do it. Okay? Okay. No. You did it today. Where did you find that? There was a bag. Oh, the lolly bag. Are you a cat? Okay, do you want something to eat? Okay, so I just got the tailoring back. Just picked up the tailoring, and these are the Capri Zara with the pants that I just showed you guys the other day. So look how much better that is, see? Because I have such a sway back and a big bum, it just hugs, and it's always, look, tailoring's not cheap to tailor your clothes, but I think for just the care and everything, it's nice, and they just fit like just so beautiful now, and I like them. I know everyone was a bit like not sure, but I think they're cool. Okay, and because these were the XL, they only had medium and XL. The large was out of stock back in Century City, Westfield in LA when I got them. So I got an XL, and the same thing, like there was it was out here but tight on my bum. So again, they took the waistband in. It's just so much nicer, see? So much better. And then got them hemmed because they were dragging on the ground, literally dragging on the ground. So now if I wear my Ace sneakers, they'll fit. And someone asked if the breakaway snaps go all the way up. They don't. They're just to here, I think. So yeah, some people hate their ears, some people love their ears, but I love them. They're so Gucci-esque, and I would have loved the Gucci ones, but they definitely wouldn't have fit. Like seriously, those Italian sizes run so small. So yeah, they're cool, huh? I like them. That's a great idea.
Shoes up, foot up.
Well, I saw Jeffrey's flight, so
Yeah.
if it's easier for him to just be, you're like Jeffrey just here, like it's almost like.
Sorry?
I'm gonna go. I'm out.
Your washing's in the machine.
I know. There's one on, and the line will be done.
On the line of dry sheets.
1, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yay! All right, we are on the road. I don't know why I said that like I have a Jamaican accent, but we are on the road going to select some tiles for project. Whoa, whoa, yes girl, that's why you got your L's, girl. Oh, shit. She almost just pulled out so fast on the car in front of me. Dang girl, learners. We are going to finally select some tiles for the current project that hubby and I are doing, which is a reno on an apartment. Yay! And I have to select floor tiles, wall tiles for the bathroom, and splashback for the kitchen. So that's good. That's running a bit late. The other day when I was out, I bought some matcha powder, you know, the green ground green tea, Japanese green tea matcha powder, like the really fine powder. It's like super in right now to have like ice, cold ice tea matcha lattes. Oh, sorry. Ice matcha lattes and stuff like that. I just bought some matcha powder because I wanted to try that, and yeah, so I was thinking maybe tomorrow on the vlog we could do matcha lattes together. What does everyone think? And yeah, and I've already been researching some studs. I'm not sure about like the Maria Tash and all that sort of stuff. I think I might go back to my diamond merchant, or go and maybe go to Tiffany's or something like that and just get some really nice studs. I don't know if I can pull off the whole Maria Tash look. Like, it's super Coachella. Hi Coachella, everybody's rocking out Coachella right now. It's super hippie boho and just, you know, skinny blogger girls. But while I is here, I should just do this unboxing. Sunnies. This unboxing from QUAY Australia. Let me find something to rip it open with. A little bit of QUAY Australia. Don't you think to yourself, oh, there's a bubble pack in it. There's a little styrofoam. Oh, cute. Okay, they are zhuzhing up their packaging. I said that last time I did a car unboxing of QUAY. And this are the new Don't At Me Desi Perkins QUAY Australia collaboration. They came out and I snapped them out and they sold out in seconds. And she has definitely had probably the most, I've said this before, the most successful collaborations with QUAY Australia. Ooh, yes girl, let's have a look. So they're kind of a cat eye, they're very in. Oh, bam, how are those? Now I know I just sold my SUBBIE circle ones and I said that I wasn't really into the mini sunglasses trend. I wouldn't call this too mini. This is definitely just like what's going around, with the whole like small kind of, like these are kind of like the ZZ tops from Celine. I've tried those on too, I really like those, but for $70, was it? $75, bam, we love them. We love them. So cute, right? Okay, I will see you on tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye.